Lesson number 3, Climate Change and Human Health. In this lesson, we explore how climate change affects the occupational health of farmers, ranchers, forest managers, and workers in the agricultural and forestry sectors. Our goal for this lesson is to provide information about the challenges faced by these workers due to the effects of climate change and what can be done to support a climate adaptation process. Increasing temperatures and extreme weather events can significantly impact the physical, mental, economic, and social well-being of people working in the agricultural and forestry sectors. Heat stress is a major risk and occurs when the body cannot get rid of excess heat, resulting in an increase in body temperature. The combined effect of heat produced by our bodies from intense physical activity, along with the increasing heat from our environment, contributes to the high risk of heat stress in outdoor workers. Let's see how these impacts affect human health. Exposure to agrochemicals, combined with heat and other effects of climate change, can impact workers' health. Inhalation of chemicals and skin exposure to these irritants are common risks that are currently being exacerbated. Climate changes can impact the efficacy of pesticides, creating a dangerous cycle where higher doses and more frequent applications of these chemicals may be required, exposing workers to even higher amounts of agrochemicals during working hours, increasing their health risks. Climate change also increases the risk of respiratory problems and eye injuries, in addition to exposure to agrochemical particles in the air. Frequent fires and higher concentrations of pollen related to a changing climate directly impact air quality. Prioritizing protection, prevention, and care for respiratory and ocular health is vital in these predicted scenarios. It is important to note that the adverse impacts of climate change also affect the mental health of farmers, livestock keepers, forest managers, and workers in the agricultural and forestry sectors, as well as the workforce of agencies and rural health care providers that support these sectors. Deteriorating air quality, the potential for displacement, and lack of food and economic security generates emotions such as distress and grief, increasing risk factors for mental health in an already vulnerable population. Prevention and support are key. Addressing these considerations in the agricultural and forestry sectors is essential to protect workers, their families, and communities. Comprehensive adjustments are recommended, ranging from revisions to work schedule, modification of agricultural practices, revision of proper use of protective equipment are key to creating a safe and resilient work environment. With this knowledge, we hope that farmers, ranchers, forest managers, and workers in the agricultural and forestry fields are better informed to face the challenges of climate change. Thank you for joining this lesson on climate change and human health.